369 species in genus Aconitum, Monkshood. September 26th, Aconitum, Aconitum. The Monkshood represents September 26th. Aconitum symbolizes mystery and protection. You are deeply intuitive and offer strength to those in need. Like its hooded blooms, your allure is captivating. FAQs about Monkshood. As a garden enthusiast, I've come across Monkshood in various discussions and gardening forums. If you're curious about this intriguing plant, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the common questions and everything you need to know about Monkshood. What is Monkshood? Monkshood, scientifically known as Aconitum, belong to the Ranunculaceae family, is a perennial plant famous for its striking appearance and toxicity. It's also commonly referred to as wolfsbane. The plant is known for its unique helmet-shaped flowers, which can range in color from deep blue to purple. Monkshood thrives in cooler climates and is often found in woodland gardens or shaded areas. See full list at monsteraholic.com. What does Monkshood look like? Monkshood's most distinguishing feature is its helmet-shaped flowers. These blooms resemble a monk's hood, giving the plant its name. The flowers grow in tall spikes and can be blue, purple, or white. The foliage consists of deeply lobed, dark green leaves that add to the plant's ornamental appeal. Monkshood can reach heights of up to 4 feet, making it a striking addition to any garden. Is monkshood poisonous? Yes, monkshood is highly poisonous. Every part of the plant, including the leaves, stems, and flowers, contains toxic alkaloids that can be harmful if ingested. The toxins can cause severe reactions, including nausea, vomiting, and even heart arrhythmias. If you have children or pets, it's essential to be cautious and avoid planting monkshood in areas where they might come into contact with it. When does monkshood bloom? Monkshood typically blooms in late summer to early fall, from August to October. The flowering period can vary slightly depending on your climate and the specific variety of monkshood you have. During this time, the plant produces its unique helmet-shaped flowers, adding a touch of color to your garden. Does monkshood spread? Monkshood can spread, but it's generally not as aggressive as some other perennials. It grows from a rhizome system, which allows it to slowly expand over time. If left unchecked, monkshood can form dense clumps. However, it's not known for spreading rapidly or becoming invasive. Regular maintenance and division can help manage its growth. How to get rid of monkshood? If you need to remove monkshood from your garden, it's important to handle it with care due to its toxicity. Wear gloves and avoid touching your face. To remove the plant, dig up the entire root system, ensuring you get all the rhizomes. Dispose of the plant materials properly to prevent accidental contact. Regular monitoring and removal of new growth can help keep monkshood under control. How to care for monkshood? Caring for monkshood involves a few key practices. It prefers well-drained soil and partial to full shade, making it ideal for woodland gardens. Ensure the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Monkshood is relatively low maintenance, but benefits from annual mulching to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage a neat appearance and prevent self-seeding. How to propagate monkshood? Monkshood can be propagated by dividing the rhizomes in early spring or fall. Carefully dig up the plant and separate the rhizomes, ensuring each division has roots and buds. Replant the divisions immediately in well-prepared soil. You can also start monkshood from seeds, but this method requires patience and a bit more attention to detail. What is monkshood used for? Historically, monkshood has been used in traditional medicine for its analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. However, due to its toxicity, it is no longer used in modern medicine. The plant's primary use today is ornamental, valued for its dramatic flowers and unique appearance in garden settings. Where to buy monkshood? Monkshood can be purchased from specialty nurseries, garden centers, or online plant retailers. When buying, ensure you choose a reputable source to get healthy, true-to-name plants. It's also a good idea to check local regulations, as monkshood's toxicity may limit its sale in some areas. Monkshood versus wolfsbane. Monkshood and wolfsbane are actually the same plant, Aconitum. The terms are used interchangeably, with wolfsbane being another common name for monkshood. Both refer to the same plant with its characteristic helmet-shaped flowers and toxic properties. Monkshood versus delphinium. While monkshood and delphinium may look similar due to their tall spikes of flowers, they are different species. Monkshood has helmet-shaped blooms and is highly toxic, whereas delphinium's flowers are often more tubular and less toxic. Both plants can add a splash of color to your garden, but their care and toxicity differ. Monkshood versus belladonna. Monkshood and belladonna are often confused due to their toxic properties. However, they belong to different plant families. Monkshood is from the Ranunculaceae family, while belladonna, or deadly nightshade, belongs to the Solanaceae family. Both are poisonous, but belladonna is generally more toxic and has different medicinal uses and plant characteristics. Monkshood versus foxglove. Monkshood and foxglove can be mistaken for each other because of their tall flower spikes. However, foxglove, digitalis, has tubular flowers and is used in medicine for its cardiac properties, whereas monkshood, Aconitum, has helmet-shaped blooms and is primarily ornamental. Both plants are toxic, but their toxicity levels and uses vary. Monkshood versus lupin. Lupin and monkshood are both attractive garden plants, but they have different features. Lupins have pea-like flowers and are part of the Fabaceae family, while monkshood has helmet-shaped flowers and belongs to the Ranunculaceae family. Lupins are generally not as toxic as monkshood and are often used for their nitrogen-fixing abilities in soil. Monkshood versus spiderwort. Spiderwort, or Tradescantia, and monkshood are quite different. Spiderwort is known for its grass-like leaves and colorful, three-petaled flowers, while monkshood is recognized for its tall, helmet-shaped blooms and toxic nature. Spiderwort is non-toxic and often used as a ground cover or in borders, contrasting sharply with monkshood's ornamental and hazardous characteristics. Conclusion: monkshood is a fascinating plant with a range of uses and characteristics. Its striking appearance and toxic nature make it both a beautiful and potentially dangerous addition to your garden. Understanding how to care for, propagate, and manage monkshood can help you make the most of this unique plant while ensuring safety for you and your garden companions. Whether you're drawn to its dramatic flowers or simply want to learn more, monkshood offers plenty to explore.